Alright, I got this Shindawai, what they call a multi-tool out this morning. It's a hedge trimmer with a long pole, tiltable, articulating head on it. And I tilt my head back here, I'll let you look at this right here. Now, just suppose you wanted a metal detecting area this time of the year and it's got sort of growed up on you. Now, you can use this for other things besides cutting a place to metal detect. You know, the what you call high odds area of where stuff may be lost in a house site. So I'm going to start this thing up. Y'all get to see the real time lapse on it to see what this thing will cut and what it looks like. Okay, that's probably enough. This thing gets her on down there pretty good, and that may not get it down like a lawnmower per se, but a person can cut a pretty good patch with this thing in 10-15 minutes. I just thought I'd share this morning.